it's Gary again. We're on the second little video I want to show you. This is the beading machine, and it's I'm going to show you what we're doing. I just started a little bit below, and you have the small wheel and a female wheel on the bottom, and you can see the difference here. This is before I put my initial bend in it. That's what I'm going to do. So here we go. You can see it gets bending. What I do now, after I get this first one in, I lower it more, and I keep doing that until I get it exactly to the depth that I want. Andreas is going to have to grab hold of this a little bit with one hand, and I'm going to finish it off right there. Now you can see what it's done, and here it's putting a little beading in there. Now I'm going to come back and I'm going to tighten it. I'm going to lower. Take a look at this, Andre. Show them how this works. That goes up and down, and that relegates the depth of the piece that you're going to do. So I'm going to start it right here again. Push it down fairly hard. Now, with this big wheel, gives me the strength to follow the original line. It likes to stay in its original line. Metal has a memory. And so, we're going to continue on this. And you will see, my friends. Now we're getting into the straight part, pretty much. And here we go. It's coming along quite well. And I'm almost to the end, and I will continue right off of it. There's this side. Now look. Now I've missed all of these little pieces. Now I can bend these down by hand, and I've got my bead on it. I can either put this on the top and hang it over and rivet it on, or put it underneath. You can see how we started doing this one here. Now this shows it on the top part, but I'm thinking it's going to be a real pain in the butt to keep it cleaned up, although that's awfully nice. But maybe I'll just put it underneath and just show the rivets with a piece of stainless steel that'll give it another element of bling bling. And you know that Andreas and I are the king of the blings. So anyway, this is it. This is from a little paper piece to actual work of art. Beginning of a work of art anyway.